Hey guys, what is up? I am bringing you another video, but today I'm going to be showing you something a little more different than what I usually do. So I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube intro because a lot of you are new, just like I am, and you don't really have an intro. So I'm going to teach you how to make one today. As you can see, my intro, my outro, and these are all just like test subjects and stuff. And then these two are the DPO and the DPO ready. Those are my edited and unedited versions. So you're gonna want to click this little action button, this big red button. You're gonna want to click empty project, and then you're gonna go to you're gonna go to media, and then all this, you can choose a different background, it doesn't matter, but for this, in my case, I'm gonna choose light gray. And then you're going to want to extend that time to about 10 seconds. You don't want a really long intro because people will get bored of it. So you're going to want around 9 to 10 seconds. So, and then if you want this vignette, excuse me if I'm saying it wrong, but that's how I say it. You're going to want to, you don't have to add this, but I just find it more cleaner, so I'm going to add that. And then you want to go to layer, and you're going to want to click media. And you're going to click background, and then you can click whatever color you want, but I'm going to be using black. You're going to want to, with this little size button, you're going to want to size it way bigger than the screen actually is. You're going to press this little key all the way to the left of the, you're going to press the little key all the way to the left of the screen. Click it, and then you're left with two little donuts. So slide it down, and then okay, never mind. You don't delete that real quick. Do not press layer, press media, and then press the color. Don't press layer. And then go to here and press this little I don't know how to call it. It's all the way to the left. It's where the little key should be, but it's not. It's like the little screen thing with the four corners. You're going to want to press that. Press capture frame and add as layer. And then there you go. You got that. So you're going to want to delete this one to the left. Delete it. And so you're left with this. And then you're going to want to shorten that to about 1 to 2 seconds. I prefer 1.5 seconds. And then extend it all the way out. Press the key. The donut animation with the plus sign, make it turn gray. Press it. And then just slide it all the way down like that. So it's going to look something like this. But I prefer extending the second layer all the way to the beginning. So that way it doesn't look like... See, that's what it looks like. And then if you don't extend it to the beginning, this is what it will look like. See, it doesn't look as clean. So you're going to want to click that, and then it'll look like this. But you're going to want to do the whole thing again. Press media, background, and then choose a second color. And you're going to, in my case, I'm going to use red. And you can use whatever color you want, but I'm going to be using red. Again, do the same thing you did with the black color. And then you're going to want to delete this one. And so there. Now you have 2 layers. What do you do with the 2 layers? So you're going to do basically the exact... and if you need to scroll down, just press these little... the second bottom to second one to the left of the screen. Press that one. And then you're going to extend the time to the same exact time as the black one. So, let's see. So, about 1.3 seconds. So, they're the same right there. And then you're going to be left with this. This right here. Oh, wait, no. You're going to want to extend this again. Press the key. The donut animation. And this time, instead of sliding it up like you did with instead of sliding it down like you did with the black one, you're going to slide it up. So that way it looks like, and it doesn't matter if you release your finger, because it'll still look like it's coming up all the way, and it won't pause. So it's going to look like this, like a box, or like two images coming open. You're going to want to see that. And then from there, what you're going to want to basically do is, when that opens, you're going to press layer, text, and you're going to put the text you want. You're going to put the text you want. So for example, your YouTube channel, you're going to want to put that or whatever you want to put. And you're going to just put it. And then, so what you're going to want to do is make it bigger. You're going to want to go to fonts, unless you want that. I prefer Roboto Bold or Roboto Black, because those are the best, bright, like the biggest ones there, and I like them as a font. They're my favorite fonts to use. And so you're going to want to, if you want to, you can change the color. So I'm going to change the color to red. And then you can click opacity. And I'm going to do it like that. And then you're going to want to basically, so make it to where, you're going to want to make it to where it pops up right when those two boxes are opening. Or right when it has enough space to fit in those two boxes coming open. So about right there. And then you're going to be left with that. And you can extend this for however long. And then you're going to want to click in animation. Right here, in animation. You click the letters and then click in animation. So there's fade, pop, slide right, slide left, slide up, slide down, spin spin clockwise, spin counterclockwise, drop, scale up, just a whole bunch. And I'm going to do letter by letter. No, actually, I'm going to do, I'm going to do letter by letter. So, letter by letter looks a little something like this. And so, basically, the overall animation is what it's going to do throughout the whole time it's being shown. So, I'm going to do drifting. And it's not going to keep looping. It's going to look like this. It doesn't look as clean, so I'm going to change the in animation. I'm going to change that to pop outward. That's better. So it's going to look like this. Yeah, that's way better. And then, so you're going to want to, change the out animation. And I'm going to change it to, let's see. Snap inward. Like that. And then, this is just optional. Press layer again. Press media. Actually, just keep it like that. And then when that disappears, you can add some sort of transition. So you can cut it like this. So I'm going to do this right now. Let's see if I can do this. You're going to want to split at playhead, I believe. Yeah, split. And then you want to click this little white thing, this little white block. And it's going to have 3D transitions, a whole bunch. And for this, I'm going to use cracked glass. So it's going to look like that. But you can also, remember, you can decrease the time so it doesn't show that while it's turning. So it's going to look like this. Hold on. It's going to look like this. Yeah. And then you're left with this. And then from here, basically what you want to do is click layer. You want to click text. And then enter your next text, enter your other text if you want. Or you can just show that throughout the whole video, throughout the whole intro. And so after that, you're going to change the font like you would normally do with the other one. So I'm just going to change the font. Let's see. I'm going to make it bigger. overall animation, do it to the same one if you want. Drifting is what I'm going to do. Then click it. The color is going to be red. And then the font is going to be Roboto Bold. And then, so, let's see. So this is what you're going to have. When the whole thing is over, this is what you're going to have. And then extend this more farther outward like that. It's going to look like this. And then you can change the out animation to what you want. Out animation. I'm going to do, let's see, I'm going to do snap. Wait, let's see what this does. I'm going to do snap inward just like I've been doing. And there you have it. That's going to be, oh yeah. And then press audio, sorry, that's not the end. Press audio right there. And then you can either record, you can get sound effects from the store if you have premium. And yeah, they just have a whole bunch of music for you, or you can do your own music. So let's see. So mine's gonna be this. Let's see if this fits it. Oh, sorry. So this is what it's gonna look like. So it's gonna look like that. And then I'm gonna change the out animation to the letter real quick because I didn't get to do that, I don't think. Oh yeah, I did. Snap inward. That's the one I picked. Yeah, okay. So that's gonna be it for this video. That is how to make an easy YouTube intro. It literally requires no skill at all. And so, yeah, let me know if you want me to do more tutorial videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye!